That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my
Let's come, cut the lights off, but it's all good. These BBs on my neck, about to shine off. PTSD.
From what? Damn, you've shocked me. God, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm forgetting the other schools here. Maya, selfish of you. Not everything is about you, okay? Never ends again. Go and make another song. You guys, I think Ariana Grande can have money for this copyright. Chukua pesa yangu.
It's like you got superpowers. 10 minutes into 2020, babe. Miracles the way you see through me. You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. You touch my baby and my ego and my pride. I wanna love you the way that you love me. Oh, for all my pretty and all my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me the way that you trust me. Ooh, don't know what it is. Love me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view. Loving me, don't quit loving me. Just stop loving me. Oh, and make you with burn.
Manika, 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 Hey. Guys, wait. Yeah, we did that. So keeping it real fresh all day, so cool. Yeah, so could someone drive around just to come enjoying this traffic? Come on. 2 seconds into driving, I'm already giving road advice. So maybe a manual. You can't give me a manual. Hello. Hi. I'm fine. Look at this loving friend of mine. That was.
Hey, Wala, you spinned it.
Wala.
Wala.
Yeah. Eh, si uniache tuendeshe, twende. Hey, oh, guys. So back. Tumerudi. I'm going down the hill, sorry. But yeah, I'm just trying to work out this whole vlogging thing until like I have interesting stuff to show you guys. So far there's really nothing much. But yeah, hopefully I'm gonna get things worked out for you guys. Hella content. Right now I'm just like, you know, chilling. Imagine I'm in the ghetto. Okay, not exactly, but yeah, cause look, imagine, how do you even do that? I missed you, man. Bana, zero content. Hey. Ah, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm doing good too. Sir, niambie, nipe short birthday boy. Sasa una play down why? Basi unitumie pesa. Ati happy birthday. Takubaya queen cake. Obi Kenya kweli kama kashoti japatana na wewe. I love birthdays. Hii ndio birthday.
When you are tired of the song. You are tired of the mama.
Damn. I couldn't. Uko how old? We mzee? They're not gonna even try out but then it's Nigeria.
Man.
Wafanye makbang ya nini ya Kenyan food. Wache mchezo. Imagine